Okay, so hello everyone, and welcome to Innovation Tech Community once again. So, so this is one more session. So we need to talk about something about unlocking the power of speech with Azure AI Foundry. So, so we have a lot of features that will be moved from Azure. Like Speech Studio to Azure AI Foundry. So we need to how this really works under the speech studios from text to speech, speech to text, and avatar models, and the real-time audio, the custom speech, and everything we can discuss in today's session. Yeah, and so coming, so I would like to do this, tell something about today's session, probably about Microsoft AI Summit. So we had a chat with some of the MVPs to conduct this Microsoft AI Summit 2025, and recently, not recently, so last year 2024, so we conducted the same event in February 15, not 15, 17. So again, it is the second edition of this Microsoft AI Summit, and it's an honor for all of us to conduct this event. Uh, I mean, simultaneously and as well as continue consistently. So yeah, so probably we can something we can discuss about today about less Microsoft Speech Studio and as well as Azure AI Foundry as well. So let me share my screen and then we can probably we can discuss more. So I'll share my entire screen and yeah. So I have. Okay, let me share. Okay, so today we can discuss something about unlocking the power of speech in Azure AI Foundry. So let me go through my introduction first. So who I am? I'm an associate consultant. So I work on Power BI and the Power Platform mostly, and some part of AI works related thing. And I'm an author. I'm a blogger. I'm a speaker. So I hold 8x Azure certified. So I'm a Microsoft most valuable professional. So if you want me to connect with anything related to Azure AI services or a Power Platform or anything, so please feel free to reach out to me. And more, so we can discuss more in this session about the speech studio and the speech capabilities in Azure AI Foundry. Okay, so what is speech studio? So I'll tell you why it is needed and so what are the requirement we need. Everything we can discuss. So speech today is a tool offered by Microsoft Azure, provides the various services to building application of speech processing. So mainly it will be focusing on speech processing, whether it is speech recognition, speech synthesis, and speech translation. And it's a lot of things like text to speech to text, and a lot of things we need to done with the help of this speech studio. And I'll show you how the speech studio really work. And yeah, so before moving forward, so I just want to ask you for all of you guys. So what is an AI? So don't say so AI is artificial intelligence. So yeah, so most of people so I'm asking about the meaning. Under observation of this artificial intelligence. So in my terms, artificial intelligence is the science of making machines think and act like a humans. Okay, so for example, let's say I'm a human being, I'm presenting in one virtual mission. That is, we can call it as some StreamYard. So I want to make this StreamYard think and act like me. So whatever I'm speaking, instead of me, so I can give the what I can say I can give the topic to this StreamYard. So the StreamYard only will tell something about Azure AI services and especially Azure Speech Studio. instead of me. It will explain everything. Okay. And if you have any queries in the middle, so definitely it will try to give you the responses as well. So like that, I was in the simple terms. I would like to explain about what is an AI. So AI can like do so a lot of things. AI can able to see, AI can able to hear, AI can able to speak, and AI can able to remember. So these are the main thing capable. And also one more thing is that so AI can able to think as well. So these are the some capabilities of AI. Excuse me. And so AI really help you. I mean, these are some main capabilities, and I think is one more thing. So for this speech studio or speech capabilities, and so we need is a here and as well as the speech capability. So this is really helpful for doing whatever this Azure AI studio or Azure AI Foundry can able to do with the help of this Azure AI speech studio speech capabilities. And yeah, so we have some key features like speech to text, text to speech capability, and it has, of course, it supports the multiple languages and dialects as well. So real-time batch processing option is also available. And so we have the option called speech to text, high accuracy. Like so, these are some speech to text to things like customizable speech models to domain-specific terminologies. And we had use cases like real-time captioning and call center and things. So I'll show you like what are the things that is available in Speech Studio and how it really works for in real time. And and so I love this avatar model in Azure AI Studio and Azure Speech Studio. So I don't think like Azure AI Foundry is capable of these things. So it is still in preview. So maybe like as soon as possible, we need to use this Azure AI Foundry capabilities as well in speech capabilities in Azure AI Foundry. So we can call it Azure AI Foundry previously as Azure AI Studio. So yeah, of course we can use it. And sorry, excuse me actually. So I'm a little bit sleepy from morning onwards. We are doing the sessions and that. Yeah. And the one more capability is text to speech. So it is very one of the greatest thing. So voices with emotional tones. It supports to over 400 voices across the 140 languages and dialects. So custom caption creation for the band differentiation is also available now. So I'll show you what are the things and all. So once I log into this Azure portal and I'll show. So security and compensatory to basic here. And before going to them, I would like to show you one more slides related to this Azure AI Foundry. And yeah, let me go through this PPT once again. Yeah. So yeah, one more thing is the best of the in the class in AI Foundry models. Like we have Azure AI services. In Azure Foundry, it is three things that is included now. So one is Azure AI services. So that is related to OpenAI models and document intelligence and language studio and speech studio and a lot of things that will be included. And second thing is the machine learning is also now part of this Azure AI Foundry. So like whatever we can, so definitely it will able to do the help of this help of Azure AI Foundry related to this Azure machine learning. And we have this responsible AI tooling. So yeah, so whatever the responsible AI tooling related to this. So what is the trustworthy? Recently, I think Janardhanan told something about how this trustworthy is really works in Azure AI Foundry and all. So these things we can focusing on mostly in best-in-class AI foundational models in Azure AI Foundry. So today we can focusing on this Azure OpenAI services related that to in our Speech Studio in Azure AI Foundry. Let me go through the next thing. So we have like Azure AI Foundry, like we have different AI model catalogs, so like foundational models, open source model, task modeling, and industry models. So mainly I'll go through the like Azure OpenAI models, like that is the evolution model. So we have the governance model as well. So that is we can call Azure AI agents. So with the help of Copilot Studio, we're able to create this Azure AI agent services, and yeah, we can also create this Azure AI content safety features and everything that will be like in the under the observability and model catalog. Yeah, so these are some like basic information about this what is and all. And yeah, so we can go for some part of demoing part in uh, Azure OpenAI. So sorry, Azure OpenAI. So then we can redirect to the Speech Studio or Azure AI Foundry. So I'll tell you how to create one service in Azure AI Foundry. So just go to the portal.azure.com. Okay. So once, so you can directly go through the Azure AI Foundry, or else we can create the speech service and we can see the world models are available in Speech Studio, and then also you can let you can also explore about Azure Speech Studio as well. I mean Azure AI Foundry as well. So what is new in this Azure AI Foundry? Is it same or anything else? And so here I'm already created some services in Azure speech services, and I let you tell you. I'm going to tell you something how to create the Azure AI services, that too especially in speech service. There is an option called create. Okay, just tap on to create option. Okay, then so Visual Studio Enterprise subscription, and yeah. So if so it is asking, so in the basic, while creating the speech service, it is asking some project details like which type of subscription you are using, whether it is pay as you go or Visual Studio Enterprise. So I have both. I'll use the pay as you go now. So then it will ask you for the resource group. So maybe I have different resource group. So if you don't have any resource group, probably you can create instantly. So I'm having a resource group. Probably I can use this content. You can use it like so. The speech to is mostly like the Southern models, and it will only work for work in like a East. I mean, in North Europe and Australia East region. So probably I can use North Europe. So maybe yeah. So I can use this region. And name I would like to suggest like AA Summit 2025. And then pricing tier should be, so if you want to go with the free tier version is okay, and also you can go with the standard version. Yeah, probably the pricing tier that is related to, that is up to you. This standards as well is you can use whenever you want to create best demos and all. So it will work for all the this. So the free trial version is only works for very limited time, limited things. So what I am suggest you guys to go ahead with standard S4 pricing time. Okay. Now what I suggest you is so please tap on. So once your validation is completed, then you can tap on to create option. Okay. So this is the one way of create. You can go to directly to the speech studio, and once you coming to the speech studio, once the deployment is completed, and so then you can okay. So now resource is completed. Creating resources. So just tap on and go to resource. Okay. Now what I suggest you is this one is created. So just tap on here, and so it is really, I mean I'm already created some resource, I mean some service related to the speech, like it is created in Visual Studio subscription, and but now I created in pay as you go. So once you create it, just tap on and create, tap on your speech studio option. Okay, so it will take some time to redirect to the speech studio. So once it is redirected, so I'd like to let you know. Yeah, so we are in speech studio. So we have different capabilities and different scenarios related to this speech to you. Like, for example, let's say I'm telling something about how the speech to you really works. Um, you know one thing. So we are using YouTube and Reels and Instagram Shorts. Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts and some live commentary as well. So right. So we can observe a lot of captions over at the bottom of every video. So they are using this type of speech capability, like it will recognize the speech from that speaker, and it will try to generate in different captions like that. Yeah, this is a one type of capability of speech to you. And there is one more thing called post call transcriptionality. So it is like, see, it's like, so for example, there is some call center, there is a customer uh, query between like in between like how, what can we say, that the customer and the client, so they have called in, so they are recorded. So so we need to understand this entire transcript, like what is exactly that emotion of that guy. So what is the negativity, what is the positivity, what is the neutral in that. So everything it will be analyzed in the capability of a postcard transcription. So there is a one live chat with author. So I love this model. So really, I'm telling you guys, this model is unanimous. Okay. So before exploring these things, so I would like to explore first. I need to go for visit AI Foundry. So that try the new features in Azure AI Foundry. Just tap on here. So one thing I'm facing here, so while I'm deploying one service in Azure AI Foundry, and it is fetching some error. I think I didn't created the demo previously, so maybe there is a problem with my end of mine with subscription and all. So if it is working fine, then yeah, probably we can use this service. So there is an so I just redirect to the Azure AI speech service. Okay, so here we have a lot of options over here. So there is an option called use service. Okay, so once you tap on here, is asking you to create like a project and a connected resource as well. So if you have any connected resource, and probably you can, or else you need to create which region you want to, like you can select over here. And once you select the region and a service name, then you can probably create this a new a service resource. Okay, so now we can understand. Let me wait for, let me wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So once this service is completed, then we can, yeah, definitely we can use this service. Okay. Mm, yeah, it will take some time. So before that one, so I will tell something about live chat with the author and the language learning. So we can explore with the language learning. So language learning, I think it basically like, so what
Hi,
is
what would you like to talk about
uh,
today?
so I just shivered. Oh my god. Okay, so it is like, I'll tell you. So I'll show you. Uh, I just decrease this. Yeah. Uh, Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So maybe something problem with my. Let me try once again. Hello there. How are you? I think maybe I'm using the speech in 2 times, like in the StreamYard Studio and also here. Yeah, I'm used this. Yeah, now it is generated.
Hello, I'm just a program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to help you. How can I assist you today?
So can you please suggest me one of the best laptop that will be very good for to learn cyber security?
Consider the Dell XPS 15. It offers excellent performance, a powerful processor, high-quality display, and reliable build, ideal for learning cybersecurity.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so once the score is completed, so it will try to
You're
generate the like
welcome. If you have any
pro-
more questions or need assistance,
pronunciation.
feel
Yeah,
free to ask.
so pronunciation score and I mean content score and all. So like it will try to generate the everything like score, background and everything. Okay. Then here I think yeah. So this deployment is I'm unable to complete it in Azure AI Foundry. So that's why we can explore today in everything is same. Like so, whatever the capabilities, whatever the things we are using in Azure AI Foundry, so everything we are using in Azure AI Studio, we are using in Azure AI Foundry as well. So deployment is we are unable to complete. I think so. I'm using different deployments also, but yeah. So I'm facing this error. Okay. Let me go through the like the speech studio again. Yeah. So here there's an option called live chat avatar. Okay. Yeah. So we can try our own. So I love this model. So whenever I need to create like a funny videos, I need to create a birthday wishes, and I need to create for some business requirement. So I use it to use this model. So like it is supports multi-language and it will understand all these things. So then probably I can use this model in different ways. Let me wait for it is loading. So let me wait for a couple of minutes. So once it is okay, then we can ask some questions whether it is going to do the responses or not. So I just changed to Lisa and Grace resource. Yeah, so now it's working. Let me go through the chat panel. I'll ask some questions. Hi there, how are you?
Hello, I'm here and ready to assist you. How can I help you today?
Okay, so can you please tell me something new about the Azure AI Speech Studio? So let me wait for a couple of things. It will recognizing the audio. I think so. My end, is I think some broadband issue. So yeah, let me talk on it. So can you please tell me what is new in Speech Studio? So why we need to use this Speech Studio?
As of my last update in October 2023, Microsoft Azure AI Speech Studio is a comprehensive platform that provides advanced speech capabilities. Here are some of the key features and capabilities available.
Really, thank you so much.
It seems like Zur Ganubles Deluxe might be a phrase or a name you're.
See, like whatever the capability we are using right now, the live chat out there. Like, see, we can like you can talk something in Telugu, we can talk something in whatever the language will support 100 plus languages, multi languages. You can use the live chat for whatever you are. Okay, so these are some of the thing, and we have a lot of things like video translation. For example, I tried this video translation very long back. You know, so I tried with Kalki trailer. So this Kalki trailer, it was in Hindi language. So what I done is, so I translated that Hindi language to Kannada language and as well as in English language. So it is translated. I mean, like so the accuracy should be like 80%. Also, it matches everything. But yeah, so whenever we want to like translate anything, we can do so whatever we want. So in business point of view, we can use it uh, in a such a way. Like it was very fantastic. Okay, and we have some like speech to text. Like so, whenever we need to speak something, it will translate to text. Okay, let me try. So what is this one? Okay, so I'll talk something. Hello there, and I'm Pratap Reddy. I'm a Microsoft AI MVP. So I'm here today to explain something about unlocking the power of Azure AI Speech Studio and Azure AI Foundry. So if you have any queries, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much. See, yeah. So whatever it is recognizing, whatever it can be heard, so everything it is try to generated in the text result in the speech and as well as the text model. So if you want to use it in this JSON model in your model, like in any VS Code or something, so you can use it this JSON for creating any model, such kind of models. It will translate to one to one. This is the best to yeah. So I mean, one thing we can say like Azure Copilot Studio. I mean, Microsoft Copilot Studio, we can call it as no code, low code. So this Azure AI Foundry, we can call it as a pro code. Yeah. So like, so whatever you want, like, let me try here, and you can. Yeah, I mean, whatever it is, a easy way to like translate from speech to text, and also we can browse the files as well. We can browse from like, so if you have any like audio files like MP3 format, definitely we can. I mean, upload it here. It will try to translate from one language to another language. Okay. Sorry, no, one language not. So it will translate to English. It will translate. I mean, it will convert to speech to text. Okay. So this is one of the things. And we have like a lot of things. So maybe so we can do some pronunciation assessment, speech to text and text to speech. Maybe I'll tell you also what are the features like whisper model that through apply service, so it will understand the speech model. If you try to translate from English to Telugu or Telugu to English, like that it will translate. So yes, so, yeah, we have like a custom speech option is also there. Like you can add your own voice. In a different things. So it will like you can try to create that custom voices in your avatar models in a different form. So it was really fantastic. You can try it. So pronunciation assessment also there. So I think we already tried with this language learning. So you can speak whatever you have. It will try to give you the responses in an assessment format. So speech to text and speech translation. So we can translate this speech. So I'm talking in Telugu, it will translate this into this whatever the comfortable language you want to understand. So everything it can. So it is one of the best thing. And the text to speech. So if you have any text format, it will try to convert into like speech format. Like so, we have any. Do we have any like voice gallery, custom voice, and personal voice, and we have any like audio content creation, which is one of the new feature. Like if you can, definitely we'll try to generate that one. And we have the like text to speech avatar. That is also one of the best feature I love the most. Like if you have any content and so feel free to, I mean, apply here. It will try to generate the avatar video. So let me try. So let me try this. Okay. So whether it is going to generate the video or not. I given like so hi hello. I'm operating Microsoft here. So I use this lady one avatar. So if you want, I can. I can also you can also use the like a male avatar as well. So it is created. Let me do that. Play this video.
Hi, hello there. I'm Pratap, Microsoft AI MVP.
Thank you. So this is a way like we can create this speech to avatar, text to speech avatar. But I never been. I thought I saw one more thing like it is in the preview and like custom avatar. I think maybe like so we can add apply for the limited uh, like access. So maybe I'll share this link here in YouTube. So probably you can use this link. So whenever you want. Okay. Okay. So this is the one. Like whenever you want. So definitely you can use it. This link. Okay. And so this is all about like some capabilities of this Azure speech studio. No? Okay, so I hope so. Today's session mainly, I mean, I just showed some brief introduction about so what is the speech studio and how it really works and yeah. So maybe if you have any queries, so feel free to reach out to me, and probably we can discuss more about speech studio, how it really works and so yeah. Thank you so much, and yeah, if you have any queries, please. So yeah, yeah. So we have some questions over here, like. Yeah, so we have questions like they're asking about like they're asking to compare with I mean like Google I mean GCP models and AWS models and Azure models. So what I suggest you that so this my whatever the models we are using with the help of this Azure OpenAI and Azure AI Studio, these are very very capable and these models are very very intelligent compared to anything. So and it doesn't take abuse for anyone. So it is very very fantastic. Yeah, you can definitely you can trust this models. Yeah. So up to then, yeah, thank you so much to those who are attended. So if you have any queries, so feel free to reach out to me. So signing off today. So this is Pratap Reddy, Microsoft AMVP from Microsoft A Summit 2024. Thank you and see you there.